Welcome to News at National. I'm your host, Rick Czar. There is no doubt that the world's demand for electrical energy is growing rapidly. It's now estimated to grow 57% over the next 25 years, requiring the world to build roughly 300 new 1 gigawatt power plants by the year 2030. In designing modern electronics, we must treat power as a commodity that is finite, striving to design in power efficiency wherever possible. That's why, continuing the rollout of its PowerWise family of systems and products, National Semiconductor has just launched an initiative to help design engineers solve energy efficiency design problems, to develop systems that use less power, generate less heat, and have a smaller form factor or offer longer battery life. And as part of this new PowerWise initiative, National has become the first supplier in the industry to establish a set of energy efficiency metrics to help system designers easily compare similar products and select the most energy efficient analog solutions. By releasing these power to performance metrics, National has created a set of criteria for evaluating power and performance, setting a standard where none currently exists. All PowerWise products feature a PowerWise rating that is determined by a single metric: the ratio of power consumed to a key performance specification. Today, National's PowerWise family includes nearly 300 ICs that are at the top performers in energy efficiency across 24 product families, including energy-efficient power management, operational amplifiers, interface, audio, and data conversion products. Let's look at a few examples of how this initiative and these new metrics can help you. If you're designing with data conversion devices and systems, the PowerWise metric used is energy consumed for each conversion cycle. It is expressed in picojoules per conversion, and it's calculated by either the effective number of bits, or ENOB, or the signal-to-noise and distortion, or SINAD, of the converter. National recently released the ADC12EU050, an 8-channel, 12-bit, 50 megasample per second analog-to-digital converter. The PowerWise metric for this data converter offers 0.48 picojoules per conversion, which makes it the most energy-efficient ADC in its class. In power management, National's PowerWise products include, among others, switching regulators, low-noise linear regulators, and LED drivers. For example, in switching regulators, the metric used is power conversion efficiency, where the output power divided by the input power yields efficiency in percent. The peak efficiency threshold is set at various levels depending upon the topology or application. In general, switching regulators for point-of-load regulation with peak efficiency of 95% or greater qualify as PowerWise products. As an example, National's new LM5118 wide input voltage range buck boost controller features peak efficiency of 95%, placing it among National's PowerWise family of energy efficient products. In the interface product family, the ability to efficiently move data over various media at high speed is the PowerWise metric for technology such as LVDS, Mobile Pixel Link, and others. Typically, more power is required to drive data faster over copper cable, due to cable loss and nonlinear effects. Yet, better drivers combined with proper receivers and equalizers yield a higher value metric due to either higher data transfer rate, lower power consumption, or both. Therefore, the PowerWise metric used here is the amount of energy used to transfer a bit of information. The unit of measure is picojoules per bit. To be a member of the PowerWise family, a value of 20 picojoules per bit or better is required for equalizers, and a value of 40 picojoules per bit or better is required for data buffers. As an example, National's DS50 EV401 PCI Express 8 gigabit per second quad equalizer provides an energy per bit ratio of 13 picojoules per bit, which qualifies it as a member of National's PowerWise family. So there you have it, an entire suite of products, systems, tools, and technology from National Semiconductor's PowerWise family. The best place for all of the PowerWise information and tools that you'll need is online at national.com/PowerWise. There you'll find solutions to the challenges you face with heat dissipation, battery life, and product reliability. Solutions that provide an optimal balance between performance and power consumption at the component, subsystem, and system level. You'll find other tools and design resources for this and other featured solutions from National among the links in the newsletter. That's all for this edition of News at National. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.